Hey guys, welcome back to Crock-Pot Empire. Today I am making a family favorite and a southern dish that is sure to please. Get ready for cheesy chicken and rice casserole. Alright, we're going to start by adding some EVOO to the inner pot, pressing the brown saute button, and then start. We'll let that heat up, and then we're going to add about a pound of chicken. Today I'm using tenderloins, but breasts are fine too. And just lay your chicken pieces in, and we're going to season them generously with some salt and pepper. After a few minutes, we're going to flip our chicken to get a good sear on each side and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes total. We're going to let these cook for a few more minutes and flip again until we have a light pink center. We don't need to fully cook the chicken through because it will be going into the pressure cooker with the additional ingredients, and we don't want to overcook the chicken. This is a bit too pink, so we'll continue to saute until we get our chicken to look something close to this pale pink on the inside. Then press the stop button and remove the chicken onto a paper plate. Using 2 forks or a bear claw, shred your chicken and then place back into the pot. Now it's time to add our additional ingredients. We're going to add 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 package of Zatarain's yellow rice, 2½ cups of water, and 8 ounces of sour cream. And we're just going to stir this until well combined. Add a tablespoon of butter, place the lid on lock, and turn your valve to no venting. Press the rice risotto button, and that will auto-populate to 12 minutes, and then press start. And we'll let our Crock-Pot Express multi-cooker come up to pressure. And keep in mind, one of the biggest misconceptions about pressure cooking is that it does take about 5 to 10 minutes on top of the cooking time to come up to pressure. So always be prepared to add an additional 10 minutes to the recommended cooking time. And don't forget, if you're enjoying this video, please go give it a thumbs up. And also, if you want the exact measurements and the ingredients that this recipe calls for, you can go visit my blog at www.crockpotempire.com for a printable recipe card. So our timer has gone off and we have done a natural release of 10 minutes. And we just flipped our valve to venting so that we can let out any extra steam. Twist to unlock the lid and stir. The consistency will be a little soupy at first, but don't worry, it will thicken up. Add a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder for some extra flavor and stir. See how it's already getting thicker? Then add 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, because you know I love cheese, and stir until melted. And in less than 30 minutes, you have this easy, creamy, delicious chicken and rice. At this point, you can serve it as is, or take it one step further and put your chicken and rice into a 9x12 casserole dish. Top it with some buttery crackers, a little bit of melted butter, and broil it under the broiler for about 3 minutes until you get a nice crispy golden brown. Serve with a green veggie or a salad, and your dinner is complete. I hope you enjoyed this chicken and rice casserole video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. And if you're interested in me making a particular recipe, please comment below and I'll be sure to add it to my list. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter if you're not already. I am always posting new content of my life, favorite products, and newest recipes. And also visit me here every Thursday at 8 p.m. for new video uploads.